Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and this is Jen's Happy Home, and today I am going to be kind of doing a little updating of the master bedroom. Valentine's Day is right around the corner and I am feeling inspired to just make my bedroom a more romantic, welcoming space. My bedroom is the place where I film all of my YouTube videos. It's kind of like an office space for me as well. It's kind of really a busy room, so it's hard to keep it neat and tidy and organized. But I figured today I would just kind of update things a little bit. I'm going to be updating my comforter, some of the decor, tidying up. So I thought I would just show you a little bit of a before and after. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the current condition of my room, and then I will show you what it looks like when I am completely done updating it. So I really hope that you enjoy this video, and let me turn the camera around and show you what the current condition and look of my master bedroom is. Okay, so heading into the room, I have a new bedding set here that I'm going to be trying out. I really hope that it works out well. And then here is the mantle, which I am always changing up the photos and things. My dresser, which I really need to declutter. I have like more jewelry boxes and things over here in the corner. I also need to do some decluttering over here. And then on this side of the room is where I keep all of my camera equipment. Just have lots of stuff laying around that needs to be gone through. Down here I keep journals and binders and things in those baskets. And then over here, I was trying to find an alternate place to do some filming. I get a lot of sunlight in this area of the room, so I thought maybe I would decorate this wall with some of these inspirational quotes and things that I found at Target. I just thought it would be a nice little place to sit and film videos, just in addition to a couple of other areas that I film in this room. And then over here is my desk space, which is always a cluttered mess because I am working there constantly, so that needs to be tidied and gone through. So that is where we are at. I am going to go ahead and try to tidy things up and make it look a little bit nicer. So I am going to show you the after. For you, it'll be just in a second. For me, it might be a couple of hours. Let's see how this goes. Okay guys, so I'm done. I'm really excited to show you the final outcome. You can see I have the wall set up behind me, which is no easy task in an old home. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with living in an old home, but if you are, you know the plaster walls are an absolute nightmare, and hanging up a picture is really a big risk factor because you don't know if it's gonna work or if you're gonna take down half the wall. It's just not easy to hang things up in an old home. So we'll see. If you see things falling down behind me, it's because it's just not sticking properly. I have this one actually hot glue gunned to the wall right now. I don't know how that's gonna work, but nothing else would. And I have some other random weird techniques going on trying to keep things on the wall. So we'll see how long this lasts, but I like the way it came out. I think it's really cute and just a nice little change of scenery for you guys. So let me go ahead and show you the final outcome of my master bedroom and how it all came out. So we'll start right here at the wall while everything is still intact. And I just have this little collage of pictures. Start each day with a grateful heart with a little heart. And I have a little lipstick mark there. And then I love this sign. Live the life you've always dreamed of. Be fearless in the face of adversity. Never stop learning. Use your imagination whenever possible. Recognize the beauty that surrounds you. Remember where you came from, but never lose sight of where you're going. And then my light up J. And then I just have my little stool there. So I'm happy with the way that this came out. And then here is the new comforter set. I think it's really pretty. It really brightens up the room. I just like having this nice ivory color in here. I think it does look very romantic and beautiful. And I have my Downton Abbey book here, The Wit and Wisdom of Downton Abbey, because my thought process was kind of inspired by Downton Abbey and the decor. I recently went to the Downton Abbey exhibition in New York City, and it was just beautiful. The way that they decorated everything was just gorgeous. I love all of the props and things from that show, so I really like the way that this came out. I have a heart pillow here for Valentine's Day that I got at Target, and then these red velvet pillows were from Marshall's, and then this bedding set was on clearance at JCPenney's, and I really like the ruffles and things on it. I think it really looks pretty. And then my desk area, I just tidied up a bit. I have an old antique desk here, and this is just where I have like my planner book and my YouTube planner book, and I also have an antique lamp over there, a little reading lamp. And then coming in on this side of the room is our mantle, and I'm always changing up the photographs and things here. If you've been following me, you know I'm a big Disney fan, so I have some photographs from our most recent Disney trip. And I love this candle. It's peony and garden rose, and it just has a really soft rose fragrance to it, which I think is very romantic and perfect for Valentine's Day. And then on this side of the room, hi, there's no way I can avoid getting myself in this shot, but here is my dresser, and I have an antique mirror. I also have this antique little candle holder that I hang some jewelry on, old watches and earrings and things. And then this is how I display the earrings that I wear most. And then I have this, the Book of Courtly Love. It's a medieval book of stories and songs, which I just think is appropriate to have out for this time of year with Valentine's Day coming up. And then over here is where I keep all of my jewelry. That's our engagement picture, and then this was actually my bridal shower favor, so I just keep that out as well. I think that lace definitely can make a room look very elegant, Victorian, and romantic, so I put touches of lace everywhere. I have it here on my mantle, I have it on my dresser, and then of course all of our curtains are like an ivory lace as well. And on this side of the room is kind of where I corral all of my planners and journals and books and my stickers and all that stuff. So I really can't find a good way to get rid of that clutter other than using the baskets. And again, all of my camera equipment. All of our furniture is really old. This is an antique dresser as well. This is my husband's dresser. And then I just have this statue of the Virgin Mary that I received from my great aunt, who used to, when she was alive, she was a nun, so that was really nice. And then I have some very romantic pictures here. This is actually, you can see how old it is. It's all discolored. And then over here I have our wedding picture. And then this is just an old picture that used to hang next to my grandmother's bed, and I just like keeping it in my bedroom because it reminds me of her every day. Another very old-fashioned photograph of a mom with her 4 children having a picnic by a lake. I really love this picture above our bed. And then over here is another photograph of a mom reading to her daughter. And then as you're actually entering our bedroom is this photograph of this woman, and the photograph is actually titled Bedtime, and she's like walking down the hallway holding a candle. It's a very old-fashioned, beautiful picture, so I just like having it right to the entrance of our bedroom. And that is how I updated and just tried to make my bedroom look a little bit more inviting and neat and tidy and pretty. And I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I think it came out really pretty. I think it looks very beautiful and romantic and just more inviting. I don't feel so cluttered in here anymore. And I really like the way that the bedspread just kind of lightens up and brightens up this whole room. Really I hope that you guys enjoyed watching my master bedroom makeover. Maybe it will inspire you to kind of update some things around your bedroom, whether it's just getting a few new accent pillows, adding a nice candle, maybe adding a touch of lace to your room wherever you possibly can. It just kind of makes the room look more romantic and more old-fashioned and perfect for Valentine's Day. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like videos like this. And don't forget to follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram because I do share there rather often. Have a great week, guys. Take care. Bye.